The topic is networking in Linux for managing networks or networking concepts using commands. If you haven't watched the networking concepts video, which is a complete playlist and also one short video of compiling of basics concepts of networking, go check that out first. The first command is ifconfig. Full form is interface configuration. So what is interface? Interface is a point of connection between system or device and a network. Ifconfig provides information on IP address, MAC address, maximum transmission unit, etc. There is an updated command for ifconfig, that is IP. As you can see, this provides information on IP, MAC and maximum transmission unit traceroute. Also, if you try the commands and see like all packages, please perform the packages install and then perform the commands. The traceroute command would be traceroute space the website you want to check the route for. In my case, I will be doing traceroute space google.com. Traceroute command is used for troubleshooting and to find the latency or delays between sender and receiver path. There is also another command that is tracepath. This is similar to traceroute. This also provides information on latency and delays between sender and receiver path. In my case, that is google.com. It is also used for troubleshooting purposes. Next command is ping. This command is used to test the connectivity between the two devices in a network. For example, let's do ping google.com. This shows by default 64 bytes time, that is like 24 milliseconds, how much time it takes to travel, and the time taken to connect and provide information is shown in the time section, and 64 bytes is the data that is sent. TTL stands for total time to leave. It is to prevent the infinite loops. TTL ensures that packets don't circulate forever in the network if a routing loop occurs. So it acts as a safety mechanism, dropping packets that take too many hops to reach the destination. If we do ping space -s space 1452 space google.com, we are pinging google.com -s, that is size of the bytes that we are sending. In my case, we are doing the maximum transmission unit, that is 1452 bytes. So as you can see, we are able to perform this. What if we increase that 1452 plus 1? If we do 1453, as you can see, we are not able to perform it because it is reaching above the maximum transmission unit. MTR. This is a combination of ping and traceroute. It shows information in the GUI format. Netstat. This command gives us network statistics information of different interfaces, including open sockets, routing tables, and connection information. SS is also a command which is an advanced version of network statistics or netstat. Dig. It stands for domain info grouper. This is for DNS troubleshooting. nslookup. This is same as dig but is an older version of dig. We can perform nslookup space google.com. These both commands are used for DNS troubleshooting. Next command is route. This is to view, add, delete routes. If we do route add space -net 192.168 or 0.3.0 space netmask 255.255 etc. space GW gateway space 192.168 so on. This command would tell the system to send from the first address to the gateway. Route -n shows us routing information. Route add default GW space the address. This sets the default path for all the traffic that doesn't have specific route. Route space del space -host space address space reject. This command would remove previously added route, in this case blocking the access of the specific host mentioned, that is like 192.168 so on. Host. This command shows the domain name for a specific IP address. If I perform 8.8.8.8, which is the domain of Google, it would show us the domain name of the IP address, that is google.com. ARP. This command address resolution protocol to view and add content to kernel's ARP table, that is to find MAC address information. iwconfig. This command is used to configure the wireless network interface to view, to use and serve basic Wi-Fi details, SSID and encryption. Hostname. This is to view the host name of the system. In my case, this is desktop pqter. The commands are curl and wget. Curl is majorly used to call the APIs. If we perform curl get and the link we would be able to download the API with the link. For example, if we perform curl space -x space get space the link of the API, we can see the information, the API. Now wget. This command is also used to get or download information from the internet by providing the link. If you perform the command wget space the download link, for example, I would be using the file or the document to download. Let's first and switch to the download directory. Perform this command. As you can see, it is downloading, and ls to show it is downloaded. Wget and curl are commands used to download or API or files or documents using the CLI. Whois. This command is used to show domain information. For example, if we do whois space google.com, this will provide all the information related to google.com. Also, we can see information on instagram.com. As you can see, it shows Facebook or FB that is managed by it. Ifplugstatus. This is to check the status of the cables plugged into network interface. Iftop. This command is used to monitor the traffic real time. TCP dump. This command captures the traffic passing through the network interface and it displays it. So, so that is just for the video today. I hope the topic was simple and insightful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.